Namaskaraha. Sanskrit language contains so many scientific treasures in the form of scriptures. One of the interesting factor is our ancestor used highly advanced aircrafts. Let us see about it. The word vimana means Vikatam Manam Upama Yasya. This definition is given in Shabdakalpadruma, which means the flight similar to bird. The term Vimana refers in many early references like Vedas, Ramayanam, Mahabharatam, Bhagavata Puranam. Rig Veda says about the Jalayanam, which was designed to operate in air and water. Yantra Sarvaswam was written by sage Bharadwaja. It has 40 sections, deals with aeronautics, called Vaimanika Shastram. King Bhoja has written Samarangana Sutra Dhara, 230 verses of this book dealing with aeronautics. Vaimanika Shastra has 8 chapters and 3000 shlokas. It explains about the constructing aeroplanes, making planes motionless, making planes invisible, hearing conversation, retrieving photographs, ascertaining the directions of enemy planes, making persons in enemy planes lose consciousness, the secret of destroying enemy planes. There were many types of vimanas designed and used by our ancestors. Some vimanas travels from place to place, some vimanas used to travel country to another country, and some vimanas can travel between planets. The aircraft may also be classified into three types: Mantrikam, Tantrikam, Kritakam. Mantrika Vimanam used in Treta Yuga. This type of Vimanas flown by the power of mantras, which is sound energy. Tantrika Vimanam flown by the power of tantras. 56 varieties of aircrafts, including Bhairava and Antaka, belong to this Dwapara Yuga. Kritaka Vimanam flown by the power of engine. Sundara Vimanam, Shakuna Vimanam, Tripura Vimanam, Rukma Vimanam belongs to this era. Rukma Vimanam is of conical in shape and golden color. This Vimana is made out of Rajalohaha only. The Rukma Vimanam has 4 different platforms, all inside a cone-shaped object. It has 2 passenger platforms and 2 control platforms. Sundara Vimanam. It was like rockets and had a silver sheen. Sundara Vimanam is similar to Rukma Vimanam with a fan at the top and has a wider base. Tripura Vimanam has 3 enclosures or avarana or tires. It got 3 pods. The first pod can travels in the sky. The second pod can travels under and over water. The third pod travels in the space. This Vimana was made up of Trinetra metal only. The Tripura Vimana is more of a submarine-like craft with a propeller at the front and a radar at the back. Measuring 100 feet in length, it has its entrance in the top middle. Shakuna Vimanam. It looks like bird. It is more of a warship looking craft, but it has 3 extra fins, 2 at the sides and 1 at the back. At the top is an antenna looking thing, making up half the height of the ship. Some interesting parts of Vimanas are Parivesha Kriya Yantram. According to Yantra Sarvaswam, a hollow is formed around the Vimana by manipulating the 5 force and by drawing the solar rays in contact with it. The rays will speed the aeroplane along the Rekha Margaha. Pushpini Yantram. This yantram provides necessary comforts to the pilots during summer and spring seasons. Nala Panchakam. 5 tubes or pipes should be inserted for the smoke to go out and air becomes clear in kitchen. Tamo Yantram. To protect Vimana from poisonous fumes from enemies' Vimanas. Vatastambana Nala Yantram. When the Vimana travels in the 4th regions of the sky, it tends to zigzag motions. owing to wind currents and cause hardship to pilots and other occupants. This yantras protects them. Vakra Prasarana Yantram, diversion enabling mechanism. Shakti Panjara Keela Yantram, to provide electric force. Shira Keelaka Yantram, act as a lightning arrestor. We think that Wright brothers invented aeroplanes, but Sri Babuji Shivakar Talpade designed an unmanned aircraft named Marut Saka. Marut means air, Sakha means friend. It flown 1500 meters in Bombay, Shaupati Beach in 1895. The future bonds with the past scripture. So let us learn our ancient Sanskrit scriptures to enrich our modern science. Thank you.